How to change subtitle language in Telegram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now basically, before we proceed, you want to make sure that you are using the latest version of Telegram available on the App Store or Google Play Store. From there, you can just go ahead and open up Telegram right here. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. And once inside, you can now go ahead and navigate through the settings of Telegram. Now inside your settings, you want to scroll down, and under the general settings, you can then go ahead and see the language option right here. So just go ahead and click on it. And once inside, we then have the languages that we can go ahead and choose from. Basically, when you go ahead and change the language for Instagram right here, it will also go ahead and change the subtitle language. And so, select your language and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.